Vision's VR48 CNC router engraver is a low-maintenance machine that offers a large 4-foot by 8-foot work area. Make ADA braille signs, print-to-cut, dimensional letters, inlays, and more. The VR48 is available with a heavy-duty aluminum T-slot table or vacuum table. Other options for the VR48 include an auto raster braille inserter, UNIST misting system, DAX print-to-cut, and more. The VR48 comes with Vision's advanced V-Touch technology. It includes a multifunctional touchscreen pendant which allows for a more intuitive user experience. Vision has been manufacturing quality-made precision machines in the USA since 1983. You can be confident when purchasing a Vision. Learn more about the VR48 CNC router engraver. Contact Vision Engraving and Routing Systems today for a free live online machine demo.